Meaning of dude.
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 Dude. Dude is a slang term commonly used in American English that originated in the 19th century. It is typically used as an informal way to address or refer to a male friend, acquaintance, or stranger. Its meaning has evolved over time and can also be used to express surprise, excitement, or disbelief. In contemporary usage, dude has become a unisex term that can be used to refer to anyone. Overall, dude is a flexible and ubiquitous term in American English that has a variety of interpretations depending on the context in which it is used.